Have you ever wondered how people make money online while they sleep? What if I told you there's a way to generate income 24/7, even when you're not working? It's called affiliate marketing, and it's one of the most powerful ways to earn passive income. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start making money with affiliate marketing. We'll cover everything from the basics to an in-depth, step-by-step guide on setting up your affiliate business, the best performing affiliate programs, and some insider tips and tricks to maximize your earnings. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on valuable content like this. And if you're excited to start making money with affiliate marketing, drop a comment below and let me know what you're most excited to learn. Chapter 1: Introduction to Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing might sound complicated, but it's actually quite simple. Imagine recommending a product you love to a friend, and when they buy it, you get a commission. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You promote other people's products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products, handle inventory, or worry about customer service. Your job is to connect the right people with the right products and earn a slice of the profit. But here's the thing, while the concept is simple, succeeding in affiliate marketing requires strategy and effort. Don't worry, though, I'm here to walk you through every step. Chapter 2: Step-by-step tutorial on setting up your affiliate business. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. The first step in setting up your affiliate business is choosing a niche. This is crucial because a well-defined niche helps you target the right audience and makes it easier to establish yourself as an authority. Choose something you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. It could be anything from fitness to tech gadgets. Once you've selected your niche, it's time to find affiliate programs related to it. There are countless affiliate programs out there, from Amazon Associates to niche-specific ones like Bluehost for web hosting. We'll dive deeper into the best programs in the next chapter. Next, you'll need a platform to promote your affiliate links. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, social media accounts, or even an email list. If you're just starting out, I recommend creating a blog or YouTube channel because they offer more control and can drive traffic more consistently. Chapter 3: Best Performing Affiliate Programs. Now, let's talk about the best affiliate programs out there. Amazon Associates is one of the most popular affiliate programs because you can promote virtually any product on Amazon. The commission rates vary, but the vast selection of products makes it a great starting point. ShareASale and CJ Affiliate are two affiliate networks that offer a wide range of programs across different niches. They provide excellent tracking tools and support, making it easier to manage your campaigns. For those interested in digital products, ClickBank and JVZoo offer high commission rates, sometimes up to 75%. These platforms are particularly popular in niches like online education, health, and personal development. Lastly, if you're in the tech or web development niche, Bluehost offers a lucrative affiliate program where you can earn up to $65 for every customer who signs up through your link. Chapter 4: Tips and Tricks for Success. Here are some tips and tricks to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. Tip 1: Focus on building an email list. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to promote affiliate products. Offer something valuable, like a free ebook or course, in exchange for email signups. Then, nurture your subscribers with regular, helpful content, and strategically promote your affiliate offers. Tip 2: Always disclose your affiliate links. Transparency builds trust. Let your audience know that you'll earn a commission if they make a purchase through your link. Not only is this ethical, but it's also required by law in many countries. Tip 3: Choose quality over quantity. It's better to promote a few high-quality products that you genuinely believe in rather than bombarding your audience with tons of different offers. Your credibility is key to long-term success. Tip 4: Leverage SEO. Search engine optimization can drive free, targeted traffic to your content. Research keywords related to your niche and create content around those topics to rank higher in search engine results. Tip 5: Be patient and consistent. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to build an audience, create content, and see results. But with persistence and consistency, the income will start to flow. If you're serious about making money with affiliate marketing, start implementing these strategies today. It might seem overwhelming at first, but remember that every successful affiliate marketer started where you are now. Take it one step at a time, and soon you'll see the fruits of your labor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content just like this. And as Zig Ziglar once said, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Start your affiliate marketing journey today, and take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.